Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Well, I need to tell myself welcome back to my channel because it's been a long time since I've recorded. That's a damn shame. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna try to get back on it. I'm gonna try. You know what? No, I'm not gonna try. I'm gonna get back on it. Okay, so I'm back. I did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm going to dig in my bag. First, I want to try these South Main under eye gels. I got this in a BoxyCharm package. It's supposed to reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. Here, this how they come out the package. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so this is the eye patches. While these sit under my eyes, I'm going to try. It said leave on for 30 minutes. Sis, I ain't got 30 minutes to leave this on. We gonna see what time is it now. It's 6:54. I'm gonna do my eye makeup while this is on. I got the Anastasia Soft Glam. We're gonna try her. Here she goes. Okay. Here go the little brush it comes with. I never really use those brushes. Now I'm gonna go in with some Tarte Shape Tape in shade Deep and prime my lids. I'm gonna take the Morphe E8 brush to blend that out. I haven't used this brush in so long. I forgot how bomb it was. I'm gonna just take this random fluffy brush. I'm gonna put orange soda all over my lid. And there's some kickback, but it's not as bad as that subculture or whatever. Put that all over my lid. Now I'm going to go in with some of the burnt orange. That's this color. I don't know if y'all can really see it. That's that one. And put that on top. I do that to like soften the primer up, which is really not primer, it's concealer, but you get the points. Where the hell are all of my brushes? See, that's what when I travel, all of my stuff get rearranged. I don't be knowing where the hell brushes be at. And I mean, I have like hundreds on top of hundreds of brushes. I'm going to go in with the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to go in with this color in the corner, Mulberry. Girl, kickback. I'm going to put that in the crease and right above it. Now I'm going to go in with Cypress Umber. That's this brown color next to the black. I'm going to just tap it in the corner. And keep it in this corner. And then bring it over. Whatever left. I feel like I want to do rose gold retro. She cute. Now that that is on, I'm going to add some cypress umber right on the edges. I'm going to go in with the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I've always used the Kat Von D Tattoo liner in color Trooper. I never used this one. We're going to see if I like it. So when I finish the rest of my face, I put some lashes on. This is Lily Lashes in the style Mykonos. I contour my nose a little bit. I put on some concealer and my foundation. I use NARS Radiant Creamy and the Soft Matte Complete Concealer in both shades of Monday. I think that's how you pronounce it. I used a little contour powder. That's in the Becca in shade. It's the Multitasking Perfecting Powder in Deep Bronze. This is something new. This is by Beauty Bakery. The Flower Powder in color Yellow. Let's see what this look like. She is jealous on her. Go in with a damp beauty blender. I'm not really gonna bake. I'm gonna just dust it all. Here's my final look. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Before you leave, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow all of my social media accounts. I'll be back with more videos.
I just wanna break up all your shit. Call your mama phone, let her know that she raised a bitch. Then dial tone click. And fucking little fake ass friends coming around acting like they my bros. I seen y'all little group text where y'all all like to brag about your hoes.